Upgrading to replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal in your Mandeville home. But even the highest quality windows won't perform as promised without proper installation. In fact, installation plays just as important a role as the window itself. In Mandeville's warm, humid climate, where heavy rain, high moisture levels, and seasonal storms are common, professional installation is essential to ensuring your replacement windows deliver long-term performance. Why installation matters more than you think. Many homeowners focus on glass type, frame material, and energy ratings when choosing replacement windows. While those features are important, improper installation can undermine all of them. Poor installation can lead to air leaks and drafts, water intrusion, condensation issues, reduced energy efficiency, premature seal failure. In Mandeville, where humidity and rain are regular factors, these issues can quickly escalate into structural damage if not addressed properly. Creating a tight, weather-resistant seal. One of the primary goals of professional installation is creating a secure seal between the window frame and your home's structure. Installers carefully remove the old window without damaging surrounding materials. Inspect the opening for moisture or rot. Apply flashing to prevent water penetration. Use high-quality sealants and insulation. This multi-layered sealing process prevents humid air and rainwater from entering your home, a critical benefit in Mandeville's climate. Protecting against moisture damage. Humidity is a constant concern for homes in Mandeville. If a window isn't properly flashed and sealed, moisture can seep into the walls, leading to mold growth, wood rot, and insulation damage. Professional installers understand local weather conditions and use installation methods designed to manage moisture effectively. Proper drainage channels and flashing systems help direct water away from the window opening, protecting both the window and the home's structure. Maximizing energy efficiency. Replacement windows are designed to reduce heat transfer and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. However, even a small gap around the frame can significantly reduce energy performance. Proper installation ensures the window is level and square. Insulation fully fills any gaps. Weather stripping seals tightly in Mandeville's warm climate. This helps keep cooled air inside and hot, humid air outside. As a result, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, reducing energy bills and improving comfort. Supporting structural integrity. Windows must be securely anchored to withstand wind pressure and seasonal weather changes. Professional installers ensure that each replacement window is firmly attached to structural framing. In areas prone to storms or heavy rain, secure anchoring prevents shifting or movement that could weaken seals over time. Proper alignment also ensures smooth operation for operable windows like double-hung or casement styles. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation can void warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for repair costs. By hiring experienced professionals, you protect your investment and ensure that your windows are installed according to manufacturer specifications. Long-term comfort and peace of mind. When installed correctly, replacement windows offer decades of reliable performance. You'll notice fewer drafts, lower energy bills, reduced outside noise, improved indoor comfort in Mandeville's humid and sometimes stormy environment. Proper installation is what allows your windows to deliver these benefits year after year. The foundation of window performance. Choosing high-quality replacement windows is only half the equation. In Mandeville, where moisture control and energy efficiency are essential, expert installation is the foundation that ensures your windows perform as intended. By prioritizing professional installation, you maximize durability, protect your home from water damage, and enjoy the full comfort and efficiency benefits your new windows are designed to provide.